Let's move on to the other type of latent heat. This is called the latent heat of vaporization. We've dealt with latent heat of fusion, where we saw that it exists between a solid and a liquid. It is the amount of heat absorbed before a solid can change to a liquid without a change in temperature. Now, with latent heat of vaporization, it is existing between a liquid and gas. The temperature of boiling water in a kettle stops rising at 100 degrees Celsius, even though more energy is being supplied. Now, the energy we are supplying to the liquid is used to break the bonds between the molecules and change the water into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Now, the energy absorbed by the boiling water is what we call the latent heat of vaporization. So once the water starts to boil, the temperature does not go any higher. The temperature is only going to be used to change from the liquid state to the gaseous state. Now, latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization are not the same for specific objects. So let's say we have ice. Ice is made up of water. To water, we have latent heat of fusion. Then water to steam, we have latent heat of vaporization. Now, these two have different values. Okay, so please take note that if you have latent heat of fusion, it exists between solid and liquid. Latent heat of vaporization will exist between liquid and gas.